guys. Let's see if we can fix this. This is Miranda, my favorite, one of my favorite wigs from John Renow, in the color Strawberry Syrup. Now, this came back from my week away, and she just looks, let's say, blown up, right? So I'm gonna take you through how I am going to fix this. We're gonna start with the 3-in-1 Envy Air Styler. So I'm gonna run this through. I'm not gonna do it on camera because it makes too much noise, but I'll show you after I run it through and see where we are from there. It's coming along. We've got a little bit done, but we can already see the difference, right? This looks like just wrecked, right? It's tired, and this looks smooth. And I've got some other secrets and tips I'm gonna do, but stay tuned, we're gonna get there. Already looking better. I'll show you how this works. So this is a 3-in-1 Air Styler from Envy. It's good on synthetic, heat friendly, and human hair. So this heats up, and I'm just brushing through the fibers. Already I can feel the difference. I didn't have this with me, and boy, I regret not having it with me. I was at home and I tried to use a flat iron, and I feel like I wrecked it, but I think we're gonna get it back. We're gonna make her well again. Stay tuned. Again though, this is the side that's not so good. This is the side we've worked on so far. All right, I'll be back.
Yikes! Oh my gosh, this is so dry and crunchy. I'm using the Envy 3-in-1 Air Styler, and wow, this is going to smooth it out and make it look brand new.